A single GR Cup race generates over 3 million telemetry data points. Speed, braking, throttle position, GPS coordinates, lateral G-forces, etc., captured at 100 times a second. This data holds the key to fast lap times, but it's hidden in the spreadsheets. We built Motogpt, an AI driving coach that turns all this data into coaching and driving insights. So let's analyze a real scenario. We'll choose Barber Motorsports. The system loads to complete 27 laps, 81 sector times, and over 180,000 telemetry samples for this driver alone. So I can already see that the lap 5 is the fastest at 98.3 seconds. But there's a massive inconsistency. Lap 2 was slow. The variance is where the race positions are lost. So you can see sector 1, 0.28 seconds, sector 2, minus 0.39. And sector 2 is our weakness. So here's what's the critical thing is. The driver finished 5th, but our analysis shows that they can finish 2nd. And that 5 positions and 16.3 seconds of total race time. It's not through horsepower. It's through better technique in the cornering where time is high. So let's show you some of the data behind that recommendation. So if we go to the show telemetry, what you're seeing is the speed trace for lap 5 overlaid with the best lap. So you can see the gaps. Every dip in the speed costs time. So why don't we have a look at the brake trace? And here's the brake pressure comparison. The benchmark driver is braking harder initially, but shorter in duration. That's the technique difference. If you look at throttle, you can see the corner exits, hesitation in throttle application. And that hesitation costs speed all the way down to the following straight. So this startup, but most people can't understand it. So what we've done, we built something called Motogpt, which allows you to ask questions. So for example, we asked, please analyze all the corners, and we get a result. And it tells you exactly where you need to improve, the specific lap times you need, the speed, how you take corners, what brakes to apply. So let's ask a second question, and we want to know the critical spots that we want to achieve. So we can see that we have a turn to apex, the brake pressure that we need to apply, the apex speed and exit speed we want, and a lateral G. All of this information has been extracted from the raw data that is coming in. So why don't we jump into the session debrief. Motogpt also generates a session debrief. So it breaks down the total lap, total gap, leader by sector and technique. It creates personalized training drills for your specific weakness, and it tracks your learning curve. So this driver is improved by 5.09 seconds during the session, and that improves trajectory. By the way, we also have a mobile app, so you can see, and we have a pit wall. So Motogpt transforms your overwhelming telemetry data into 3 things: where you're losing time, where you're losing time, why you're losing it, and exactly how to fix it. So in plain in plain English, and anyone can understand. 180,000 data points, GPS accurate corner analysis, and an AI coach that you can talk to. So this is professional level race analysis, accessible to any GR Cup driver. This is Motogpt. Thank you.